what is a pure substance and what are impure substances. So see, another thing, let me continue with a little bit more and then I'll demonstrate it. The next part is, let's talk about pure substances. As I told you that pure substances are those substances which have fixed composition, and there are two types of pure substances. One is element and there is compound. So what is an element? Element are the substances which are made up of same kind of atom. I repeat again, pure substances which are made up of same kind of atom are known as element. Example, copper, gold, etc. Now compound, when two or more atoms of different elements combine together in a definite ratio, forms a compound. So definite ratio, so I have given the example of compound as sugar, and I have given the example of another compound which is water. You know that the chemical formula of cane sugar is C12H22O11. Uniform composition means that, or definite ratio, means that whenever you take cane sugar, it will always have 12 atoms of carbon, 22 atoms of hydrogen and 11 atoms of oxygen. And water will always be formed with 2 atoms of hydrogen which will combine with 1 atom of oxygen. So they have got a definite ratio. So both of them are compound. And you can say that copper, gold or iron, they are made up of same kind of atom, and that is why they are known as element. So as I told you now that sugar is a compound, and I have taken here cane sugar, and I will now demonstrate you. I have taken cane sugar. You know what cane sugar is, chini, and as I told you that it is made up of 12 atoms of carbon, 22 atoms of hydrogen and 11 atoms of oxygen. Each molecule of sugar is having this composition. Now since it is having definite composition, it is a pure substance. Another example which I gave you of pure substance was water, because it is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So one molecule of water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So we have 2 pure substances, and when I mix 2 pure substances together, I'm mixing 2 pure substances together and I'm forming a sugar solution. And you know that what is sugar solution? शरबत बना रही हूँ मैं यहाँ पर. And then now next what we are going to talk about is, what do we mean by uniform composition and properties? When this sugar will dissolve. Now if I collect mixture from this part of the bowl, or I collect mixture from other part of the bowl, the sweetness of the solution will be same. Now I'm asking Avantika to taste it whether it is same or not. Avantika will drink this and she will tell us whether the sweetness from different part is same or not. So I have taken it from this part and I'm making her drink. Avantika, drink it. Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Okay, from the next part I'll see. I'm taking it from the other part. Was the sweetness same?
Yes.
Or was it different?
It was same.
Speak louder.
It was same.
So the sweetness of the solution was the same. Why was the sweetness of solution same from different part of the bowl that we have taken? It is because the concentration of sugar in the solution is similar, and this is what means uniform properties throughout the bulk. Throughout the bulk means from any part of the mixture, if you pick up a sample, its concentration and its properties will be similar. But now let us take this. So this was a homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture has got uniform composition and properties throughout the bulk. Now let me demonstrate you what is a heterogeneous mixture. I have taken a part rice and then pulses, and I'll mix it together. See, I have mixed both of them together. Yeah. So if I take a little sample from this part, will it have same number of particles of rice and arhar dal? No, this will have some another number of particles. If I collect it from this part, it will be some another number of particles, and if I collect it from this part, it will be some another. So this mixture of rice and arhar dal is a heterogeneous mixture which is not having uniform composition throughout the bulk. So this is what is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. I hope you might have understood it properly. Now we are coming to the next part of the discussion. Now, as I told you that, see this one, elements are of two types. They are either classified as atoms or molecules. Now what is an atom? What is the difference between atom and molecule? Atom versus molecules we are going to discuss. Atom is the smallest part of an element which is not capable of independent existence. That means an atom cannot exist independently, though there is an exception. The atoms of noble gases are